Okay, so we are now on part 10. So what we're going to do now is we are going to knit 1, knit 2, knit 2 together, and then we are going to knit 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we knit 2 together. And we're just going to knit 3, knit 2 together until we finish the entire row. 1, 2, 3, knit 2 together, knit 1, 2, 3, knit 2 together, knit 1, 2, 3, knit 2 together, knit 1, 2, 3, knit 2 together, 2, 3, knit 2 together, knit 1, 2, 3, and we knit 2 together, and then we knit 2. Okay, so for rows 81 through 91, you're just going to knit straight across, alternating after every 4 rows. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye.